Hello, I'm Jackie from Sholley's, and today I'm just going to show you how to use our two most popular accessories. This is the Easy Reach bag, and nearly everybody buys these with their Sholley. It's a must. Very strong mesh. You can use them separately if your Sholley's fully loaded, and put it onto our lovely little hook that we sell separately as well on the back. Now, how to fit it. Open up your lid, handle front to back, and these little seatbelt style clips just go over here, like that. There's 4. I'll have to work till I put 4 on. There, like that. On the other side. And what this means is you can put all your crushables in the top, your eggs and your bread, and your heavier things at the bottom, which is really useful in a big trolley like this. And then the other thing, if you don't want to keep leaning to the bottom of the trolley, just use your Easy Reach. Look, it slips backwards and forwards like so. Perfect. No Sholley should be without an Easy Reach. And then you can put your handbag or anything else really you'd like to hang on that. This is the hook and stroll.